Hello boys and girls, hope you're all okay. So today we're going to have a look at some recognition of some phase 3 sounds. Okay, so I wanted to start by showing you this. This is a really good website. It's called Teach Your Monster to Read. And if you click onto the teachers area, there's lots of really useful things that you might find useful while we're not in school for home learning. So there's classroom toolkit. If we click on that, there are some sight words, pop-up games, some resources you might find useful, some monster mini games, which I think some of the children might really enjoy, some flashcards, which is what I'm going to use for you today, some songs, which we've looked at in school, and some game ideas. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the digital flashcards today. So you can look at these at home as well. So you start off by picking the sounds that you want to practice. Okay. So the sounds we're going to practice today, we'll practice some of our phase 3 sounds. Okay, so once you've selected the sounds that you want to practice, you click tick and then we will begin. Okay, are we ready boys and girls? It's time to practice some of your sounds now. So when I show you the grapheme, I want you to tell me the phoneme, okay? Or can you make the right sound? So what sound does these letters make? Let's see if you're right. Well done. Can you think of a word with the sounding? Let's have a look.
Letter.
Well done boys and girls, and if you got it right, you can click the tick to say you've got it right. So the sound is in letter. Okay, what's this sound boys and girls? What does this grapheme make?
Ear.
Well done, if you got it right, it makes an ear sound like?
Hear.
Hear. Ear. Hear. I hear a noise. Okay, what does this sound make?
A.
Well done, if you got it right. Can you think of a word with the A sound in? Here's a little picture clue.
Sail.
Sail. A-O. Sail. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. What sound do these two letters make?
E.
Well done, if you got it right, like in the word?
B.
B. B-E. B. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. This one?
Sh.
Like in the word?
Ship.
Ship. Sh-it. Ship. How about this one?
O.
Well done, like in the word?
Boat.
Boat. B-oat. Boat. How about this one? Well done, if you got it right. Like in the word?
Turn.
Turn. Turn. I turn the car around. This one. Well done, if you got it right. It's the ch sound, like in the word?
Chick.
Chick. Ch-ick. Chick. How about this one? Like in the word?
King.
King. K-I-ng. King. Have a go at maybe spelling some of these words. Get a pen and paper or a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen. And have a go at seeing if you can spell some of these using these phase 3 sounds. What sound does this grapheme make?
Ow.
Ow. Like in the word?
Cow.
Cow. K-ow. Cow. How about this one?
Qu.
Like in the word?
Queen.
Queen. Queen. Queen. Oh, you need to stick your tongue out for this one. Like in the word
Moth.
moth. M-off. Moth. This one.
Eye.
Like in the word
Night.
night. N-I-T. Night. What sound does this letter make?
R.
Well done if you got it right. Like in the word
Car.
car. Car. This makes a sound
Or.
or. Like in the word
Short.
short. Short. Short.
Oi.
Oi. Like in the word
Coin.
coin. Oi. Coin. Oh, now this one can make two sounds. So the one for this one makes the sound like in
Book.
book. Book. Book. This one makes the other sound. So what's the other sound that these letters can make?
Goo.
Ooh, that's right. Well done, boys and girls. Like in the word
Food.
food. Food. Food. So it can make the sound or the sound. And this is a slightly trickier one now. These are 3 letters make one sound.
Air.
Well done if you got it right. Air. Like in the word
Hair.
hair. Air. Hair. Another tricky one, 3 letters that make one sound.
Or. Cure.
Cure. Well done, boys and girls.
Ear.
That's the end of our recognition of our phase 3 sounds. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you did well. And like I say, you can have a look at that on your computer at home. Okay, maybe have a go spelling some of those words and using them in some of your writing as well as your reading. Well done if you got lots of them right, and keep practicing, working hard at home. All right, see you soon. Bye.